Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today we will learn daily English sentence. Ahmed, hi Ollie, how are you? Ollie, I am fine. What about you? Ahmed, I am good too. Ollie, what are you doing these days? Ahmed, I am going to college regularly. Ollie, that is great. Ahmed, how is your study going? Ollie, it is going well. Ahmed, are you preparing for exams? Ollie, yes, I study every evening. Ahmed, that is good. Ollie, what do you do in your free time? Ahmed, I watch English videos. Ollie, that is nice. Ahmed, I also try to improve my speaking. Ollie, very good. Ahmed, do you exercise daily? Ollie, yes, I go for a morning walk. Ahmed, that is a healthy habit. Ollie, what time do you wake up? Ahmed, I wake up at 6 a.m. Ollie, that is early. Ollie, it was nice talking to you. Ahmed, yes, I enjoyed it. Ollie, I have to go now. Ahmed, okay, no problem. Ollie, see you tomorrow. Ahmed, yes, see you tomorrow. Ollie, take care. Ahmed, you too. Ollie, goodbye. Ahmed, bye.